Okay, here we are, Blizzard of 010. 010, listen to me. Blizzard of 010. Christmas is officially over. We've played a bunch of toys and video games and all this, and I am now heading out to check out the Blizzard. Wish me luck, Mommy.
Peace out.
Peace out, Cub Scout. Let's see what we got going here. Hi. Yep, bundled up nice. Going out, let's take a look. Oh boy. Oh, there's my beers, okay. So those are nice and cold. Oh boy, okay. Not too bad. Let's see. Yeah, a couple inches. Not too bad. But it is coming down. Let's take a look out here. They've been plowing. Oh boy. Let's see. We're just not too many hours into it. Started snowing this morning. Well, guess about noon it started really snowing. And it's just about 6 o'clock now. Let's see. Okay, so they've been plowing, so that's good. Let's see. Not too bad. I'll keep you posted. This thing out the road. Here's my house, so Merry Christmas. It's a nice one, right? Yeah, we thought we did pretty good. Okay. So I'm gonna do some shoveling. Go back in, get some beers in me. And keep this going once or two more times this evening. Try to keep it to a minimum. And I'll post it and I'll talk to you guys later. Alright. Okay. About 20 minutes later, I have finished shoveling. I just did this one strip here. As you can see, it's already being covered over. I shoveled here. It's coming back down. Oh boy. I'm thankful that I don't have much to shovel. But oh yeah, you can see in my footprints, it's already coming back down. I figured what, about 4 inches, 5 inches maybe so far, which isn't too bad. Yeah, I'm gonna put this, oh no, I can't do that, can I? Yeah, wait. 1 second here. Alright, I'm gonna put you down, whoops. You're gonna balance? No, I can't. Okay, well, you can just see me open my beer there. There's your de-icer. Okay, so yeah, we got about 4 or 5 inches down so far. It's about 6 or so at night. I'll be back out again, obviously with a few beers in me, and we'll see how it looks from there. Wish me luck. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.